Hi, my name is Racha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. Today's tutorial is going to be about this flower stitch. As you can see here, flower stitches is really pretty. I think it's really cute. So you can knit this on the plain color background and use different colors for flower or whichever way you want. And just use your imagination. So let's get started. So first off, you start out with cast on multiple of 6 plus 1 for the edge, and then you work stockinette stitch for about 6 to 8 rows with the main color, and then ending with the wrong side row, and get ready for the next right side row for the flower pattern. And for the flower, you can use a new color and begin knitting flower row 1, which is the right side. On the first row, we're going to knit it all the way to the end of the row. If you cut the yarn earlier, you can just go ahead and weave it along while you knit, so you can get that done. And you just keep knitting and knitting until the end of this first row. And then for the second row, we're gonna begin the wrong side of it, and in this one you will knit the first stitch, and then this is very interesting, you're gonna knit the next stitch with 3 wrap yarn around the needle. So wrap it 1 2 3 like that, and then pull the yarn through the loop just like the way you knit the stitch normally, except that this time you have 3 wraps around your needle. So this is one stitch, so we're gonna do 4 more, and that will be 5 stitches total. So wrap the yarn around the needle 3 times and then pull it through, so that counts as one stitch. We're gonna do it 3 more times. Oh my god, you can hear my cat eating food. So wrap the yarn around 3 times, pull it through the loop, slip it off the needle. Got 1 more to go. You can count the stitch there, 1 2 3 4. 1 more to go. So with a total of 5 stitches, and that will be one set of flower. So we knit 1, knit 5 with the wrap, and then we're gonna close up with knit 1. So that is one set. So we're gonna repeat through the end of the row. Now we move on to the third row of the flower. The first stitch we purl, and then put the yarn toward the back. Now we get ready to slip those wrap stitches. So go ahead and slip it off. It will unravel and it turn into this long loop. So we got 4 to go. Slip 2, slip 3, slip 4, and one more, 5. So now we got all 5 of our wrap stitch. We're going to wrap them using the yarn that we have on the back. Gonna bring that yarn toward the front between the 2 needles, and then we're gonna slowly transfer these stitches onto the left hand needle. So get the left needle and stick it through all those loops. Tighten the yarn a little bit and bring it to the back like that. So basically we're just wrapping it, and then we're gonna transfer these stitches to the right hand needle and then bring the yarn toward the front. We're gonna do it one more time. Transfer that to the left hand needle and wrap the yarn, put it toward the back one more time. And now we complete our wrap. So we're gonna bring those stitches back onto the right hand needle, and that complete our wrap. We're gonna bring the yarn back to the front and get ready to purl our next stitch. So we purl the next stitch, and that conclude our flower. That's one set. So now we're gonna repeat, unravel the wrap, put the yarn to the back, slip it, slip it. So slip those 5 stitches again, and then wrap and do the same thing until you come to the last stitch, and then you purl. Okay? And now for the last row, basically we just knit all stitches. Just carefully knit, make sure that you have it in the right order. Since the stitches are long, like this one, it looked like it switched place, so I kind of switch it back to the right place and then knit it like that. So you keep knitting and knitting until the end of the row. And that is, we all done with our 4th row of our flower. So now our flower pattern is complete. We're going to change to our main color again. So grab the main color and start knitting all the way through the end of the row. So you want to do the stockinette stitch on this one. So knit 1 row, purl 1 row on the wrong side, okay? So here, when I finish, it will look like this. I have some sample here that I made earlier. I put different colors of flower pattern in there and it popped up really nicely. You can just play around with it and see how you like it. You can add this to your project. It will be fun. Here are the hats and blanket that I made years ago. And I hope you give it a try. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye bye.